Hey everyone, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just want to make a quick video lesson going over my top 3 plays for tomorrow, April 18th, 2022. Let's just dive into it. MDVL, nice runner, and great call from Thursday. We had a long weekend. By the way, happy Easter to everyone. Here we got a multi-day bounce that turned into a breakout play essentially. It just kept running way more than expected. This would have been the move that I was looking for the multi-day bounce, and this is just a continuation. We got a failure here, but then it just came back, and shorts got squeezed. That ended up being a nice play. I have a video lesson on that trade from last week if you want to go over that. But we have the nice multi-day bounce going into the breakout play, and now it's still holding up. Hasn't really totally failed. It is kind of fading off the after hours highs here, but if we could continue to keep holding around the breakout level of 260s, 262 I believe is what it is, we can possibly get another move higher. So I'll be looking for the failure to break down and a move above 308. Next resistance level that I see, let's see here. So yeah, we got threes. What happened? Okay, so 330s. We got the mid threes. Some solid resistance here on 4, so let's see if it gets to the high 3s, 4-ish, if it could break above 3 here. We got not the lowest float, but doing decent volume, still able to rotate it. Demand is coming in, and we know that this thing could move, so it's checking some boxes. So if we just get the failure to break down and buying continues to come in, I'll be looking for the $3 break, most likely. Depending how it sets up, we'll definitely update in the morning on Twitter what the plan is. But for now, it's going to be after hours high break from that, which is 308. And then next up, we got Hoth, HOTH. Just looking for that multi-day bounce. Not the typical chart I usually trade. Usually get some solid green days and then some fade. Kind of how we just went over with MDVL. But here we're coming right back down to kind of support where it started. So we might have some dip buyers, some shorts covering after this huge panic from the mid ones now to the 50, 60 cent area. Trying to put in a bottom here. So we'll definitely be looking for a multi-day bounce. If it could come in, similar to MDVL, how this thing's set up. This one I was a little worried with the volume, so definitely have to learn from this. That this could work out even with lower volume in the moment. I remember this was doing like 400,000, I believe, is what it was, and I was just kind of scared out. But ended up giving a nice solid move. The volume ended up coming through. So let it set that high, whatever it is. Look for the failure to break down, and the confirmation of the reversal is the high day break. So we'll be eyeing that for Hoth, and that really is all I could really say about that. Solid run, got stuffed. Now just looking for shorts to cover and dip buyers to come in, if any do. Next up, LIXT. LIXT, another multi-day bounce, solid runner, similar fashion, except this one at least had a morning spike. So, this is looking like a very bearish candle. If we get any sign of momentum shift, the morning spike or gap up, whatever it is, we'll definitely be eyeing it for a high day break whenever it sets that high. Got some solid bottoming around support here in the 160s. It's trying to double bottom. So we'll see if we get a momentum shift and a 30% spike or so. Yeah, so those are the top 3 plays. We'll see what happens. New players that gap up, that pop up on the scanner. We'll definitely update the watch list. It is on, I already posted on Twitter right now. So if you want to check out the rest of them, feel free. But those are the top 3 plays, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I've been getting pretty consistent with the watch list. At least 1 or 2 plays for my top watches are working out the way I intend, or expect rather. So all I could really say there. Yeah, we'll just wrap it up. Everyone has had a great long weekend, is refreshed, studied up, and ready to go tomorrow. And follow us on Twitter at Pack of Punch Traders to get updates on the watch list and whatnot, to see our plays and how they work out. Follow us also on tradecaster.com. We got live streams there, so if you need any of that, if that's beneficial, low cost live streams, check that out. Q&A box as well, so will definitely be of use to you there. As well as, if this was useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll definitely pump out more content like this. Hope everyone has a great night, and we'll come back tomorrow.